Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. And lately, I have been so bored with my pixie cut, and I decided to bring out a oldie but goodie Outre's Converti Cap units. I love these units. They're like a half wig, and they are super versatile. You can wear them down as a headband wig or up in a ponytail. And today I'm sharing a few headband wig hairstyles with you guys. These are super easy and simple to do, and I just thought it'll give you guys some good inspo. The first look is pretty simple, and I'm just placing it on the unit. Girl, I don't know how to act now that I got some hair on my head. And I'm taking this wide headband that I think I got it from Walmart. I will link it along with this unit. Then I'm going to section my hair and start to flat iron this hair. Now this is a synthetic unit, and you can use heat up to 400 degrees. I always start at the lowest temperature, and I think I'm at 320 right now. 340 was the best for this hair. So I want to keep that yucky texture in there. So I'm keeping that in mind and not taking it up too high of a temp. I'm making some final adjustments to the headband, and this is look number one. I love a half up, half down ponytail style, and why not try it with this half unit? So I'm going ahead and separating out my split bangs, placing the headband on, adjusting, kind of slimming down my bangs. I feel like they were a little bit too thick. I'm going back in and straightening my bangs just a little. Then I'm creating my ponytail. I'm just taking out just a little bit at a time, making sure it's even and detangled. Adding a rubber band, and I'm also gonna split out a little piece to wrap around and hide that rubber band. And I'm securing it with a hairpin. And I'm going to go in and add another hairpin to give it more height to my ponytail. That way it stands up high. And this is look number 2. I love these type of styles, like this half up, half down. It's so girly. I love it. For this next style, I'm removing the unit and I'm parting out space just to give it a little definition. That way it doesn't look like the hair just pulled straight back, but it gives a more definition in the style. So I'm parting out this little oval space in the middle, adding some bobby pins to secure it, going in with some more of my edge control to lay down my edges, and I'm going to place the stocking cap back on my head along with the unit. I'm brushing out the unit and applying my headband. I love the unit worn just like this, but I have to take it up a notch because why not? So I'm going to part out a little space and split those two pieces in more of a diagonal and comb out the hair, making sure it's not tangled. Then I'm going to start to twist, and I'm making like these twists on top of twists. I've done these styles in the past, and this is like my favorite little Y2K inspired hairstyle. So I'm just going to keep twisting the hair until it starts to fold on itself, and it will create like this knotted up twist, and just keep twisting and twisting, and then I will secure it with some hairpins. Once I have it secured with the hairpins, I'm going to start to spike out the hair. Now you can go in and use the flat irons to curl this, but I just wanted to have a more spiky look. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You just want to keep twisting and twisting and twisting until you have that tension in the hair and it begins to fold on itself.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
I'm fluffing out my spikes, and this is the final look. Guys, I absolutely love all these hairstyles. Comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite, and make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.